I first started out by making a mold and pouring my concrete mixture into it. I let it sit for 48 hours before I came to this point of breaking my mold to get my concrete form out. I unfortunately lost the footage of me making the mold. I move on to sanding the concrete form to knock off the sharp edges and to knock away any of the loose rocks from the cement. I take the measurements for the drawer size. The drawer I decided will be placed on the right side of the nightstand. The other section I'm just going to leave open. I'm going to be using walnut plywood here with an MDF core. Then I'm going to attach to another 3/4 inch piece of MDF. This is going to make the drawer front nice and thick. After I get them cut to my measurements, I then edge band the front with a white oak edge banding. The drawer slides are actually going to be made up of square steel for the track and C-channel steel that will be placed on the drawers to ride on the square steel track. I'm cutting all these pieces to 9 inches, the length of the drawer. After I get all my steel cut to the proper length, I then take liquid nails and place this on my square tube steel. I'm placing this on the line that I drew out with my pencil to make sure that both tracks are perfectly level and at the same height. I clamp and let cure overnight. You can see here how the drawer slides are going to work. I think this gives it a really cool industrial feel. I'm now making the drawer that will go on my nightstand. There's nothing special here, just using some 3/4 inch MDF and plywood. I'm just using glue and my brad nail gun, then I'll come back and reinforce it with some counter set screws. I'm placing more liquid nails on the C-channel steel that will be placed on my drawers. I put a spacer block on the bottom so that the drawer doesn't drag when being opened and closed. I put the drawer in place and let the liquid nails cure for 24 hours. Here I'm applying a lacquer all over the cement so that it seals the concrete and protects it from any moisture. I then apply lacquer to all my walnut as well. After a few final touches, I call this nightstand complete.